Hello children, grade 6 students. I hope everyone are well. Today we are going to see our book. Kindly take and see Social and Political Life Part 1, Chapter 2, Diversity and Discrimination. Second chapter. In the previous class, we learned Chapter 2, Introductions, and page number 11 and 12 we saw. Today we are going to see the important topic, prejudice. It's very important. Okay, without this we are unable to move and learn this lesson. Throughout this book we will get this word prejudice, so we must be thorough with this topic. Prejudice means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. Okay, so if you see a person, we will think about them negatively. Okay, we will not think about them positively. Okay, they cannot, they will not, they will be lazy. Like that we will think. For example, lazy, misery, dull. Okay, like that we will say about them. They are not good, bad. Like that we will have an idea. It's a bad opinion, no? When we think that only one particular way is the best and right to do things, we often end up not respecting others. We may prefer to do things differently. So we must think, when we think one person in a particular way that it is the best and right to do things, we often end up not respecting others. So we must not think anything about them particularly. We must not think best, right, what we do is right. Like that, finally what will happen? We will not respect others who may prefer to do things differently. For example, if we think English is the best language and other languages are not important, we are judging these other languages negatively. See, among all the languages, we select English as the best, means what about other languages? Are they are not good? So, according to our thought, English is the best means other languages we are judging as negatively. They are not good, like that. In what way they will be best? Like that we will compare. So we are thinking negatively, prejudice. As a result, we might not respect people who speak languages other than English. So according to this topic, prejudice, we are selecting the language English comparing with other languages. Then we will start to think English is the best language and we will respect the people who are speaking English, and we will not respect other people who are not speaking English. So in this way we are thinking negatively. It is wrong, children. We should treat all the people, all the languages equally. That is what this is meaning. Prejudice means, again, we are selecting the best, which is right. Okay, which is the best. Others are not. So it means prejudice. So let it be language, religion, or community, okay, or places, or male or female, comparing in all the ways. Okay, comparing each other and selecting as the best will lead us to prejudice. So avoid thinking prejudice. That's what we are going to learn in this lesson. We can be prejudiced about many things. People's religious beliefs, the color of their skin, the region they come from, the accent they speak in, the clothes they wear, etc. Often our prejudices about others are so strong that we don't want to form friendships with them. At times, we may even act in ways that hurt them. So, just now I told you, okay, about the language, religion, a region, the male and female, like that we compare rich or poor, like that with prejudice. Now we are seeing, children, we can be prejudiced about many things. People's religious beliefs. One people, that is one religion beliefs is compared with another religion's beliefs. Nambikai. Okay, Mother Nambikai. So the religions, in our religion we believe like this, so our religion is the best. Your religion will not believe like, do like this, they will not believe, and they will compare, and they will pick out the thing only particular religion. So there is a prejudice for other religions. The color of the skin, comparing black and brown, black and white, like that they will compare. The white are the best, the black are the slaves, like that they will say the black is not good. So we will compare the skin color also, and accent they speak in, the language they speak, the clothes they wear. Next, the place where they born or the place where they come from. So they will compare and they will have the prejudice there, and it leads to, okay, the prejudice often becomes strong, so that we cannot have friendships with the other people. For example, the white people will not have friendship with the black people. Okay, the rich people will not have friendship with the poor people. The city people will not have friendship with the village people. Okay, so if they don't have, because they are not having respect towards them, because of the prejudice. The white are the best, the city people are the best, and religion, okay, particularly on which religion they have the belief strongly, they will give priority for that. Okay, they will give importance. Then other religions or other color people or the backgrounds, they will not give priority, they will not give importance. This leads to prejudice, and they will not have friendship with them. That time it may hurt them also. We may even act in ways, this leads to hurt them. So children, in this lesson we must be very strong. Okay, we should not prejudice, we should not have the prejudice. Okay, the judging or having opinion of the other things negatively, we should not keep it in our mind, because India is a democratic country, all have rights. We should not hurt anyone, all are equal. We have to respect. Okay, the people who speak other language, they follow other religion, practice other religion, culture, tradition, and the people, the dress code they wear. Okay, whether they are rich or poor, we should not see the difference. We must treat everyone equally, then only we will respect all. So from this lesson we must be strong, that we should have positive thoughts, no negative thoughts of anything. I hope this lesson will be, this part, prejudice, will be understood. Thank you, children.